Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Roblox, an incredible platform hosting millions of user-created games and experiences. I'll guide you through downloading and installing Roblox on your Windows computer, opening up a universe of endless gaming possibilities. Let's jump right in. Fire up your preferred internet browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type in Roblox and hit enter. Look for the top result that leads to roblox.com. That's our target. Once you're on the Roblox homepage, you'll need to create an account before we can proceed. Look for the sign-up form. It's straightforward and only asks for basic information. Fill out the required fields with your details. This account will be your passport to all the amazing experiences Roblox has to offer. After completing the sign-up process, you'll be automatically redirected to the main Roblox dashboard. This is your command center, where you can discover all the incredible games available within the Roblox ecosystem. Take a moment to appreciate the variety. There are literally millions of experiences to choose from. To download the Roblox client, we'll need to select any game to play. This is actually the quickest way to get the installer. Let's explore and pick one together. Here's one called Rivals that looks interesting. Click on the game's title to open its dedicated page. On the game page, you'll see a bright green play button. Give that a click. Since this is your first time playing, Roblox will prompt you to download its client software. A window will pop up offering to download and install Roblox. That's exactly what we want. Click that button. Your browser will ask where you want to save the installer file. Choose a location you'll remember. Your downloads folder is usually a safe bet. Once you've picked your spot, click Save to start the download. Now, let's find that installer file we just downloaded. Navigate to the location you chose and double-click the file to launch the installer. The installation process will begin automatically. Just sit back and let it do its thing. When the installation finishes, the Roblox client will launch and present you with a login screen. Remember those credentials you used to sign up earlier? Enter them here to log into your account. And just like that, we're in. Notice that we're back in the Roblox ecosystem, but this time we're using the dedicated game client instead of a web browser. This gives us better performance and a smoother gaming experience. Now, let's look at Rivals here. Click on it to open it up and hit that launch button. And here we go. We're in the game. Time to show some skill. This is actually pretty fun. And there you have it, tech enthusiasts. You've successfully installed Roblox on your computer and are ready to explore countless amazing games and experiences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gaming.